Hi everyone, I am Hemant again. So let's join with my podcast channel. Today, business will become more advanced and complicated one. Therefore, Sri Lankan company also have to think about how they go forward. So let's talk about one of the leading company how they perform in market. In this podcast, I am going to present my strategic management analysis of John Keells Holdings PLC. I selected John Keells Holdings because it is one of Sri Lanka's largest and most successful diversified companies with over 150 years of history. In this presentation, I will explain its strategy, competitive advantage, financial performance, leadership, and future outlooks. Let's begin with a brief overview of the company. John Keells Holdings was established in 1870 and today operates across seven major business sectors including transportation, consumer food, retail, leisure, property, financial services and other investments. The company employs more than 30,000 people and has a market capitalization of approximately 356 billion Sri Lankan rupees. Some of its business include Keys Supermarkets, Cinnamon Hotel and Resorts, South Asia Gateway Terminals, and Landmark Cinnamon Live Project. The company's vision is empowering the nation for tomorrow. It reflects its commitment to creating sustainable value for country as well as its stakeholders. To achieve this vision, John Keells Holdings focus on six strategies like sustainable growth, digital transformation, regional expansion, asset optimization, continuous innovation, and integrated governance. Now let's examine the external environment. Using the PESTEL framework, we can understand the factor influence for John Keells Holdings. Politically, Sri Lanka has experienced greater stability through IMF-supported economic reform, improving investor confidence. Economically, GDP growth, decline inflation, and lower interest rate have increased consumer spending and business activity, creating greater opportunities for the company. From a social perspective, customers now expect greater convenience, digital services, and environmentally responsible business. John Keells Holdings has responded by the improving customer experience through technologically and sustainable practices. Technological advancement is another key driver for John Keells Holdings. They use artificial intelligence, automation, cloud computing, and analytics to improve operational efficiency and its business activity. Environmental sustainability has also become a strategic priority. Investment in renewable energy, green construction, waste management, and carbon reduction support to long-term sustainability goals. Looking at Porter's five forces, competitive is instant, especially from companies such as Haley's, Aitken Space, and LOLC. However, becoming of its strong brand portfolio, financial resources, and diversified operation, John Keells Holdings continue to maintain a strong competitive position. Next, let's discuss the company's internal environment. John Keells Holdings has both strong tangible and intangible resources. Its tangible resources include the healthy financial position, more than 130 Keells supermarket outlets, manufacturing facilities, and valuable property assets located across Sri Lanka. Its intangible resources include its trusted 150 years corporate brand, customer loyalty, experienced management team, strong governance practices, and advanced digital capabilities. Together, these resources create several important competitive advantages, including disciplined capital allocation and integrated diversified business model and effective strategic leadership. These capabilities allow John Keells to respond effectively to the market changes while maintaining operational excellence across all business sectors. The SWOT analysis provides a clear summary of the company's strategic position. John Keells Holdings' strengths include market leadership, strong brands such as Keells, Cinnamon, and Elephant House, an extensive retail network, and excellent governance standard. Its weaknesses include depending on Sri Lankan economy, high investment requirement for large-scale projects, and exposure to fluctuation in tourism. The future opportunities include regional expansion, digital transformation, tourism recovery, renewable energy, and AI-driven efficiency improvement. The main threat include inflation, exchange rate fluctuation, increase in domestic and international competition, and climate-related risks. Overall, the company's strength and opportunity provide a solid foundation for future growth despite these external challenges. You see how John Keells company has external and internal analysis. Instead of that, we definitely think how they perform as strategically in market. Let's see how to do it. According to Porter's generic strategy, John Keells mainly follows the broad differentiate strategy. Rather than competing through the lowest price, the company focuses on delivering superior quality, trusted brand, customer satisfaction, and continuous innovations. For example, Cinnamon Hotels provide premium hospitality service while Keel Supermarket offer high quality product combined with digital shopping experiences. Similarly, brands such as Elephant House have built strong customer loyalty through quality and reliability. The company continuously invests in technology, product innovation, and customer experience to strengthen its competitive position. As a result, customers choose John Keells because of the value and quality of its products rather than simply comparing prices. The company continues making significant long-term investment in projects such as Cinnamon Life, the West Container Terminal, digital transformation initiatives, and renewable energy projects. These investments strengthen the company's market leadership while creating new opportunities for future growth. In terms of timing, John Keells Holdings generally follows a fast follower strategy, carefully evaluating market conditions before making large investments. However, projects such as the West Container Terminals also demonstrate first mover advantage in selective industries. Overall, these strategies action reflect the company's commitment to sustainable growth, innovations, and long-term value creations. When talk about the corporate strategies, one of the company's greatest strengths is its diversification business portfolio. John Keells Holdings combine with both related and unrelated diversification to reduce risk while creating long-term value. For example, its retail and consumer food business share supply chain and distribution network, creating operational efficiencies. Similarly, the Cinnamon Life project combined leisure and property business to generate business synergies. The company also generates its transformation and financial service which balance business risk across different industries. Another important feature is corporate parenting. The corporate headquarters allocate the capital to high growth projects such as Cinnamon Life and the West Container Terminal while providing strategic direction to govern across all business sectors. Overall, these diversification approaches enable John Keells to remain resilient during economic uncertainties while maximizing long-term shareholder value. Developing my strategy alone is not enough. Successful implementation is equally important. Therefore, John Keells used balanced scorecard to measure performance from four perspectives. Those are financial performance, customer satisfaction, internal business processes, and employee learning and development. The company continuously monitors key performance indicators, allowing management to identify issues early and make informed decisions. Digital transformation also plays a significant role in execution. Technologies such as ERP system, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and robotic process automation improve efficiency across supermarkets, logistics, finance, and other operations. Strong corporate governance, enterprise risk management, and ESG integration ensure that strategic objectives are implemented responsibly while maintaining stakeholder confidences. The success of John Keells is supported by its strong organizational foundation. The company places significant emphasis on workplace planning, employee development, succession planning, and continuous professional training. Employees receive regular technical, leadership, and skill development programs that improve both individual performance and organizational capability. John Keys follow a divisional organizational structure. Corporate headquarters provide strategic direction, financial oversight, and governance, while individual business sector retain operational independence. This structure allows faster decision making while maintaining accountability throughout the organization. Now I would like to talk about how John Keells developed its people to support its business strategy. At John Keells, people are seen as the one of the company's biggest strength. That is why the company invests in a lot in developing its employees. First, the HR studies focus on having the right people in the right jobs. This is done through workforce planning, developing employees' skill, succession planning, and providing equal opportunities for everyone. Next, John Keells Holding puts a strong focus on leadership development. Employees receive coaching, mentoring, and leadership training to prepare them for future management roles. The company also encourages continuous learning by offering online learning, workshops, and professional training programs. This helps employees improve their technical, digital, and customer service skill. Finally, talent management is all about attracting talented people, recognize good performance, and providing career growth opportunities. This helps the company retain skilled employees and build a strong future workforce. Overall, John Keells Holdings believes that investing in its people is one of the key reasons behind its long-term success. When talk about the company's culture, it is built around six core values, including integrity, excellence, care, trust, innovation, and stewardship. Senior management follow a transformational leadership style that encourage innovation, employee empowerment, teamwork, and continuous improvement. Strong ethical leadership had helped John Keells to build an excellent reputation for transparency, corporate governance, and responsible business conduct. The company also focused on balancing the interest of shareholders, employees, customers, suppliers, and the wider community, ensuring sustainable value creation for all stakeholders. We have talked about strategical implementation in John Keells. So, do you want to know about financial background? Definitely you have amazing about after hear this. Now, let's review the company's financial performance. John Keells Holdings has demonstrated strong revenue growth over last 5 years. Group revenue increased from approximately 127 billion rupees in 2020 to 317 billion rupees in 2024, representing growth of nearly 149%. Although net profit declined during the latest financial year, this was mainly due to the accounting adjustment related to the Cinema Life project rather than weaker business operations. In fact, several business segments performed strongly. Consumer food recorded approximately 34% earning before interest, taxation, depreciation, and amortization, while the retail sector achieved around 25% growth. The company also maintained a healthy liquidity position with the current ratio of 1.8 while continuing to invest in major strategic projects. Despite higher debt level resulting from these investments, John Keells Holdings operating cash flow remained strong and its share price increased by nearly 14%, reflecting continued investor confidence in the company's future. When talk about overall organizational performance, the company maintained market leadership in retail, hospitality, transportation, consumer foods, and financial services. Its diversified business model provides resilience during economic uncertainty, while investment in digital transformation continue improving efficiency and customer experiences. John Keells Holdings also maintained one of Sri Lanka's strongest corporate brand and continue making significant progress in sustainability and ESG performance. Looking ahead, continued economic recovery, increasing tourism, and regional expansion provide positive opportunities for long-term growth in John Keells Holdings. As conclusion, John Keells Holdings demonstrate how effective strategic management can create sustainable competitive advantage. Its clear vision and mission provide strategic direction, while its diversified portfolio reduce business risk and support long-term growth. The company's broad differentiation strategy, disciplined execution, strong corporate governance, capable leadership, and continuous investment in innovation have enabled it to remain one Sri Lanka's leading organization. Although challenges such as economic uncertainty and increasing competition remain, John Keells Holdings has the resources, capabilities, and strategic direction need to continue creating long-term value for all stakeholders. Now you have clear idea about how the John Keells company has performed in market. So this is the end of this podcast. So and see you soon in another session.